So I'm coming here today with a bona fide message. We are in a season of high harvest. So whatever you have reaped, you will certainly sow. So my suggestion for everybody is have your morals up, have your marbles up, and have your intentions clearly set and let them be for the good. Because we are in a season where people are going to reap what they have sown times two. So ensure everything that you're putting out is good and positive. Ensure your energy is cleansed, and ensure whatever you're thinking, whatever you're speaking is going to produce exactly what you desire. Peace and prosperity.